Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I just want to quickly share 3 steps you need to take before placing any trade every day by day as a day trader, because I am a day trader also. I'm going to take you to 3 steps you need to take note before placing any trade, and 3 lessons that I learned from this that make me to be following this step. You can also follow this step to really minimize your risk and to minimize your losses and big your wins. In this video I will break down everything to you so you can understand everywhere. So if you are new to the channel, you have to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any question, comment below. So first thing you need to take note is that losses are part of the game. To avoid being lost, you need to have the right knowledge, and the right knowledge I'm talking about, this is the 3 step I just want to break down to you so you can add it up to the knowledge you have already acquired. So first thing you will need, you already know that we have fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and each one of them has their own benefits. And in this video, technical analysis is also known as your strategy that you have, right? So if you want to take this step, you will have already have a working strategy. After having a working strategy, that your working strategy is your technical analysis. And what next you need to know is that you need to know how to read fundamental analysis, which is economic effectiveness. You need to know how to read this, and after this we combine these two together to make a good trade decision. At the end of this video I'm going to tell you the third step. So right now, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is the fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis, we already know that fundamental analysis is the situation whereby we look to our left hand side to make a good trade decision or next trade move. That is fundamental, that is technical analysis, right? And this technical analysis is also your strategy. And if you any strategy you are using, you will have some confluences that you need to be identified, to be confirmed, so that will serve as confirmation for you to know I'm going to get in on this trade. If this also things happen, I'm going to get in on this trade. So that is your technical analysis, which is your strategy. And the thing I want to tell you, one more thing you need to take note, that every trader take note, that they use as confirmation, is also fundamental analysis. After knowing your technical analysis, you should not rely only on technical analysis, because technical analysis might go wrong, or you might be trading, because most time, as we all know, that if you have already know how to read your fundamental analysis very well, we have high impact news and non-impact news. When we have high impact news and you rely on your technical analysis, you just be stopping out and you will not still figure it out. So I've done a video where I explain how to use your fundamental analysis correctly with your trading view and place your trade, how you are going to set your time correctly so you will not make that such mistake that I make. Your time on Forex Factory or wherever you are reading the news must correct with the time on your trading field where you analyze, so you can place the trade. You can avoid trading at the exact time where the news is going to be released, so you are not going to be stopped out. That's just it about technical analysis, which is your strategy. Firstly, you need to know about your technical analysis, which is your strategy, and you have a lot of confirmation, which the second thing I'm going to be talking about is fundamental analysis, which you will use in your technical analysis, that it will be a part of your confirmation. It is part of your strategy that you are using for confirmation, but to stay safe, and the risk of trade that you have already know that you are going to lose this trade, so you can avoid it. That is fundamental analysis. So firstly, what is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis are economic event news which move the market. It might move the market so high, it might move it so low. So we have 3 types of news: high impact news, medium impact news, and low impact news. This is the 3 news we have. But with technical analysis, the sustainable news that I have known and I have seen, the sustainable news I have seen is low impact news. Although most people trade fundamental correctly, but if you have your solid technical analysis is sustainable than fundamental analysis. Most people trade basically only fundamental analysis, but that is their own. But if you are still coming up as a trader, all I just need is to tell you is that the analysis you need to take note that is sustainable, that you can use at any time, you can use it to spot any setup at any time, is your technical analysis. And with the help of technical analysis and fundamental analysis, this is the major reason I'm creating this video. I want to show you how to use fundamental analysis and technical analysis together, because technical analysis cannot be used alone and fundamental analysis can also not be used alone. So first thing you need to take note is that you already have your technical analysis, which is your strategy that is working. You have already know well about technical analysis. After this, all you need to know is that you have already know how to read fundamental analysis, which is economic event news. With these two, these are what are called trading. All of that thing I just need to be with these two. You need to apply proper risk management, which is the third one I'm going to be talking about. proper risk management, with this theory, you are good to go. All of that thing, you just need to, with the help of consistency, you just need to be balancing this. This is what I learned. I've learned so far. This is the learning I learned by myself. So first thing, I will explain everything how you can use it, so we be safe. First thing, after getting your account, let's say the account that you want to be trading, after getting the account, you need to calculate it that on this account I'm going to be risking, although most people risk based on calculated number, but risking, if you want me to do a video about talking about how to risk, how to calculate risk on your account, you can drop it in comment section. I will do a video about that. Let's use 5k profile account as an example. On 5k profile account as an example, if you want to trade it now, you can just choose a specific lot size, because part of risk management is just by choosing a specific lot size and how many positions you are going to be holding per trade. With this, if you take a loss, it's going to be minimal, and if you make a win, it's going to be meaningful. So that's just it. Just stick with permanent lot size and be using this. Let me say on 5k good for net profit account, which I'm also using. I'm using 0.05 per trade, 0.05 per trade, and I'm not trading fuller type. I'm going to trading forex pay. 0.05 lot size per pair, and maximum pips I'm going to be risking is 50 pips per trade. Maximum pips I'm going to be risking is 50 pips per trade. And let's say I've gotten on a trade now and I want to set my stop loss, and I discover that this pips is above 50 pips. I'm not going to be taking any other trade that day. And maximum, you can see I do a video about a week ago where I talk about maximum. I'll be taking 2 trade maximum a day, and either loss or win, I'm done for the day. With this right now, with I'm taking two trade per day, and I'm satisfied. If my losses will be in same range, my losses will be in same, with this 2 trade per day, my losses will be in same range, and my winning will be in the same range. With this, I can, even with this, I can able to review all my trade. You understand what I'm trying to say? I can able to review all my trade if I'm taking 2 trade per day and 1 position. Not that most people do this mistake whereby they go in today, they go in with 2 position on a trade, and they took 4 trade, 2 position, 2 position. If they go in with 2 position and tomorrow they are now fear of missing out, they are now going with 1 position. This is the act of lack of knowledge. Without proper risk management, with the help of good proper risk management, you need to set a fixed thing that you need to be trading this account. So right now, you can be in, if you have calculated all the risk, you don't need to be panicked when you are buying and you are in order. You don't need to be panicked that this is going to be sell, this is going to be buy. That's just the bias. So right now, I think what I've said now is just to quickly brief how to take trade every day by day. So before, let's say you have everything in this trading, you have to have a specific time, because you have a, if you have a specific time, let's say you have like 6 a.m. as Nigeria time, you want to come to the chart by 6 a.m. Once you come to the chart by 6 a.m., first thing you need to do is to go to fundamental analysis, which is Forex Factory that I use. Forexfactory.com. This is the place where I read my fundamental analysis. Go to Forex Factory, read your fundamental analysis, and know the safest pair. This will serve as a roadmap for you, so your technical analysis can do well. So your strategy can do well and your technical analysis can move well. This is the major thing you need to take note. Most traders used to go through this fundamental analysis. After going through this fundamental analysis, they know what is going to happen, and they now go for technical analysis and do the analysis. Let's say you have already know that USD have a high impact news. All you just need is to take note is that just neglect USD pair that have high impact news and trade non-impact news. With this, you can trade safely with your technical analysis, and your trade is going to go well. And if it goes wrong, since you have already applied proper risk management, you are good to go. So now the purpose of me making this video is just to tell you step by step. You need to take note, because you might be taking a lot of trade. This one major, when you are doing wrong in trading, it is not just about, it is just about lack of knowledge. Anything you do wrong in trading is just about lack of knowledge. Because how will you do this? If someone tell you that you are over trading, how will you do that? Just telling you that you are over trading, you cannot understand that. But with the help of good knowledge, you are going to understand that this is the exact way to trade. And over trading is not the exact way to trade. So with this that I've tell you now, you need to understand that once you go to your Forex factory and you read fundamental analysis and you have already, this serve as a first confirmation for you to know safest pair to trade, because you have already know that there is high chance of you losing money on trading the pair that have high impact news. So no time to waste money, just go to pair that are safe, that have low impact news, and analyze it and place your trade. With this you can make a good trade decision. This serve as a roadmap, and with this you cannot over trade, because once you have already know that one pair is having high impact news, you will already have a low pair. Let's say USD is having high impact news, you have already know that USD pair is to be avoided for the day. This serve as this make you to this help you to reduce stress. That is how I used to do it. Go to fundamental analysis, read the fundamental analysis, and come back to my trading view, analyze. And after analyze, I've already know this serve as a roadmap for me. I've already know each number of the pair that I'm going to trade, and after trading this, after analyze, I'm going to place my trade, and spotted to trade, I'm done for the day. And all I just need is to be doing is to be break even, tighten stop loss, and trade management. This is all what I need to be doing. Since I've already applied my proper risk management, I'm already accepting my stop loss. If stop loss hits with the two trade, I'm done for the day. This is how I used to take my trade. So if you are new to this channel, do it to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any question, comment it below, and do it to check the program that I'm using. The link will be in this video description, and my telegram channel link will be in this video description, where I drop more updates about the trade that I took. So bye for now, catch you in the next video.